This is why you need a new phone in 2024. Let's dive into the top picks and see which one suits you best. First up, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's got a sleek design, insanely good camera, and that Apple magic. But at a premium price, of course. Next, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's a powerhouse with a stunning display and top-notch performance, perfect for Android fans who want it all. Don't sleep on the Google Pixel 9. It's all about that AI with smart features that make daily life smoother. And the camera? Pure magic. For the budget-conscious, check out the OnePlus 12. It offers flagship-level specs without breaking the bank. Fast, sleek, and reliable. Finally, the wild card, the Asus ROG Phone 7. Gamers, this one's for you. With incredible performance and a gamer-friendly design, it's a beast. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment and let's chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech goodness.